Hello there, it's Sana, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Today I'll be showing you some new IKEA products, not just Christmas items. Apparently there are around 800 new products this season, and I've picked out some of the best ones to share with you. As usual, the limited collection will probably sell out quickly again, so make sure you grab them while you can. Also, there's been some price reduction recently, so I'll talk about those too. Stick around until the end. Let's get started. You may remember these glittery mirror ball decorations I showed in a previous video. Well, now they come in an even bigger size. When I first saw it, I was like, what is this? Isn't it incredible? So much impact. But yeah, it does feel very papery, I think. Let me show you some of the FRÖJDA collection I found in store. First, I have these candle holders. Aren't they cute? I love how simple and clean the white is. The price is pretty reasonable too. It has a snow-like texture that makes it feel very wintry. Next up is this coaster set with the same motif as the candle holders. This one comes in silver, and I think it looks great with the glassware I'll show you in a bit. It's a set of 4 at a great price. Here we have a carafe with a beautiful festival design. The glasses are also so gorgeous. The theme for this collection is New Year parties, so they've gone for a very festive look. These glasses are a bit bigger than usual, but they are surprisingly not too heavy.
You could totally use these outside of parties too.
I had my eye on these for a while, and I was determined to buy them, but what really caught my attention was the cutlery. They are so pretty. The handles are matte and just so stylish. This set is part of the FRÖJDA collection. Isn't it super cute? I was so ready to buy it, but then I realized it's a set of 16. I don't need that many knives, so I decided to wait for now. Next, here's a tray from the same collection. I usually shop in store, but I ordered this one online. They actually deliver small items, which is very convenient. I also got 2 ornaments along with it. This tray is dishwasher safe, which is fantastic. I love trays that can go in the dishwasher. It's perfect for coffee and bread, making even simple meals look stylish. Since it's long and narrow, you won't fit large plates on it, but it's just right for snacks and coffee. By the way, doesn't this material feel familiar? It's actually made from sink waste materials. Using recycled materials is great, isn't it? Of course, you can also use this tray as a display piece. Its long, narrow shape makes it perfect for displaying items in a balanced way. It has a matte texture,
so it doesn't look too flashy, making it easy to pair with modern interiors.
I showed this bird and Christmas tree display before, and it seems like they've already sold out in Japan. IKEA sells out first.
This tray works well with any decor, making it a versatile piece.
Now, let's get back to the store. In October, you'll see a lot of country-style interiors. And of course, this season means blankets. There are so many out now. One that caught my eye is this thick, chunky knit blanket. It has a nice weight to it, and the chunky knit pattern is so cute. The texture on the front and back is different, which adds to its appeal. The price was a bit high for IKEA, but IKEA in the USA and UK have recently discounted the prices. I'll wait to see if it gets discounted in Japan. This striped one is also really cute, isn't it?
The one next to it is quite thick and almost quilt-like. perfect for keeping you warm in the winter.
Now here's the basket section. Why do we always want more storage baskets? This one has cute pink handles and is actually quite large.
So be careful when ordering online.
This cranky woven basket is adorable too.
It'd be perfect for stuffed animals, though you'll need to be mindful of what you store in it since it's pretty see-through.
I thought the white color ones were cute too. The round shape is stylish and I think they'd look great for open shelving storage.
This other round basket comes with dividers inside, which is really handy. I love the natural material and the black accents give it a nice, crisp look. I also found window film, which reminded me of when I recently reviewed the Roman shades.
I was thinking, should I have just gone with this for the privacy? But after seeing the sample, I'm not sure. It seems more see-through than I expected. Maybe I'll test it out. There are also new colors for kids' stools and tables. The lavender color is so cute. Sorry, I only managed to get footage of the blue one.
These stools are recommended for kids aged 3 to 6. But please note that they aren't suitable as step stools for adults.
Now, here's something I just had to share with you. It's this black magazine firebox. It's part of the TJENA series,
which has been a long-selling favorite at IKEA. The texture of the paper is so smooth and matte, and the black one looks super sleek. IKEA's TJENA boxes are designed to fit perfectly in their shelving units. Here's a comparison with Muji's file boxes. Muji on the left, IKEA on the right. They're made from different materials and priced differently too. IKEA's are made from paper, so they're very light. The main difference is the depth. IKEA's is 2.6 centimeters shallower than Muji's, but they still hold 4 files and large magazines perfectly fine. The shallower depth makes them more streamlined, which I prefer. Though the only thing that didn't fit was Muji's ring binders. Other than that, I haven't had any issues. IKEA's boxes are also more affordable and easier to buy in bulk. While paper isn't as durable as polypropylene, these hold up pretty well over time. Also, IKEA's file boxes fit perfectly into their Billy bookcases, unlike Muji's, which don't fit. I use TJENA boxes to store DVDs, manga, and other items.
The design is simple, so it looks neat even when placed on an open shelf. This is an IKEA railway shelf, and this fits perfectly. Now, let's move on the room sets. There's this room I wanted to show you. It features tatami mats. Yes, Japanese style tatami mats. And at the back, there's a Japanese style closet. IKEA actually has a room set with tatami and closet, so they are great for storage ideas. IKEA's storage solutions are affordable and easy to match. There's another room next door. Let's take a look. This one features the BOAXEL storage system inside the closet. I've installed BOAXEL before, and it's easy to install and budget-friendly, so I highly recommend it. Now, on to my purchases. I bought this bamboo tissue box, which has a lively natural vibe. I'm planning to customize it a bit.
Bamboo products from IKEA often have these clean, straight designs, which I love. I'll show you what I'm going to do with it, but first let me explain. I've been drinking this yogurt drink for about 2 months now, collecting the caps. After collecting 8, I arranged them, marked the positions with a pencil, and glued them down. Then I masked off the holes with tape and sprayed it with paint.
And there you go, a simple DIY block design.
This wasn't my original idea. Lots of people have done this, and some even use bright red, which looked super cute. I was going for a lavender shade, but it didn't turn out exactly as I'd hoped. Picking the right spray paint can be tricky. This tissue box also has magnets so the bottom won't slip off. It's a nice touch. I've put tissues inside, and even though the color didn't come out as planned, it looks cute in the kids' room. I didn't sand it before painting, but the finish turned out smooth. Feel free to try this DIY with your favorite color. The clock on the wall is from IKEA's Tillsammans collection, which they no longer sell, but it's one of my favorites. Now, let's talk about price changes. In the US, IKEA adjusted prices on October 1st, so be sure to check it out if you're shopping there. It's impressive to see price drops in today's economy. That said, IKEA doesn't always announce price increases, so you might not even notice when prices go up. Some items that saw price hikes in the past few years are now back to their original prices. Klipsk bed trays and Satsuma's plant stands, for example, have had their prices reduced. In Japan, certain chairs have also seen significant price drops.
By the way, did you know IKEA's chairs have a unique feature? They're casters lock when you are standing, but move freely when you are seated,
which prevents chairs from sliding away when you stand up. This reduces the risk of falls.
Some people wonder why the wheels don't move, so I wanted to explain that feature. Next time, I'll show you the ornaments I wasn't able to cover in this video, and I'm thinking about trying out the window film I mentioned earlier. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.